How's it going, YouTube? My name is Blake Yarbrough and welcome back. Today's video is on the Yeezy Boost 380. This is a brand new model from Adidas and Yeezy, and it's one that actually I've had now for about a week. And so instead of just showing you guys me unboxing the shoe and giving you my initial impression, I wanted to actually wear the shoe for a week. So I've been wearing them. And so I want to give you my opinion after wearing the shoe and how I think it fits, and just give you my overall impression of the shoe now that I've had it for about a week. Also guys, I will be picking here on my computer the winner for the giveaway. I know we've been talking about it for a few weeks. Today I will be picking the winner for the sneaker giveaway. Griffey, he's probably gonna help out in some way. And then I also wanted to mention that I've got a few of my personal items for sale on my website, atllocals.com. A few things that are on the website are this pair of Air Force Ones that I customized. And these are made to resemble the Air Max 1 Pata. And so the materials, the colorway is kind of similar to that if you know what shoe I'm talking about. This is an Air Force 1 size 11. I wore them one time. I've also got a pair of Air Max 90s designed the exact same way. I did a video on these a while back, but this pair is still dead stock. So this pair is a size 11.5. And so those are both for sale on my website, along with some other clothing items. Check that out, atllocals.com. The link will be in the description. I'll be throwing some different items up over time for sale on there if you're interested. Starting off with the box, you've got the standard brown Adidas box, except this time, of course, it says 380 on the top. And here are the shoes. We've got the Yeezy Boost 380 in the Mist reflective colorway. So this is the pair that has the reflective prime knit woven all the way throughout. The reflective material on these is absolutely insane. I saw some early pictures of these before they released, and it showed that they were only like partially reflective. But guys, the reflective material on these is absolutely insane. I'll be showing you guys some overlay shots of me wearing these and showing you how crazy the reflective material is, but it is fully reflective just about. And so in my opinion, this pair is worth the few extra dollars that you're gonna pay, because right now these are honestly not that expensive. And as you know, the non-reflective pair will be releasing March 25th. If you're not really into the reflective thing, you could save some money and go with the non-reflective pair, which releases, I guess that'll be next week. But if you do care, if you like the reflective material, in my opinion, it is worth it to go ahead and grab a pair of these. So besides the reflective material, let's talk about the new shape of this Yeezy 380. It's obviously got a much thicker midsole compared to the 350 V2, and I've got a pair of those right here, so I'll put them up here on the table to compare and contrast. So as you can see, even at the toe box, the shoe is much taller. And then if I put them heel to heel, you can see how much taller the Yeezy 380 is compared to the 350 V2. Now, initially we thought this would be the new 350, but this shoe is so much taller. It's got much more of a chunky midsole. And obviously that's where the trend has been going over the last couple years, is to a chunkier, thicker midsole. I also have another pair of shoes to compare, which is the Nike Zoom Fly. Now obviously this is a performance shoe, this is a lifestyle shoe, but I just wanted to kind of compare the midsoles because they reminded me of each other. How you've got this swoop here at the heel. As you can see, they're not exactly the same. However, they are very similar. You've got a similar swoop here on this heel, similar swoop here on this heel. And what that helps to do is transfer your energy as you're walking from the heel to the forefoot. It's supposed to kind of propel you forwards. And so to me, this shoe is actually much more comfortable than the 350 V2. Walking in this shoe feels much better in my opinion. The boost on the outsole, or maybe I should say the midsole. So the boost in the midsole, where the cushioning comes from, it feels amazing on this shoe. Not that the 350 V2 wasn't comfortable, but to me, it feels like there's more boost in here. I'm not really sure, but the cushioning on this shoe is incredible. The next difference between these and the 350s that I really noticed is the traction on the outsole is amazing on these. It's almost like a wavy herringbone pattern, I guess you would call it, but you can definitely feel a great amount of traction and grip when you're wearing these as compared to the 350 V2. As you know, this can get really slick. It's honestly very slick, even dead stock, so it's not even like they're worn down and they get slippery over time. These shoes are kind of slippery from the beginning, And so maybe that's something that Kanye and Adidas changed to make these better, because I can feel a huge difference wearing these. I wouldn't recommend necessarily working out or running in these, but they definitely have way more traction than previous Yeezy models. Next up, let's talk about the materials. You've still got prime knit on the upper. However, they've added new layers, and I don't really know what they used. It feels almost like a plastic mesh. You've got a lot of ventilation here on the side, as you can see as my hand moves behind the material, which I've seen some people actually lace them through those and it looks pretty cool. Definitely a well ventilated shoe. Prime knit doesn't really breathe that well, but these ventilation holes on the side should help keep your feet a little bit cooler. And the other thing I've noticed is that you can actually see your socks pretty well through these. So if I put a black sock behind this one and then a white sock behind this one, it actually makes this peachy color look totally different. In this shoe right here on your left, the shoe looks a lot brighter, whereas on this one, it looks a little more dull. So it does look like your sock choice will affect the way this shoe looks. And I wouldn't really recommend wearing any colored socks, probably just white, gray, or black. But the colorway is definitely very interesting. Overall, it's pretty neutral, earthy tones. You've got like a regular gray here. You've also got like a tealish blue color. You've got tan or khaki laces, and then you've got the stripe here, and that's almost like a peach or mango color, I would say. And then the last color on the upper is this kind of steel gray or steel blue. That's the best way I could describe that color, but they're honestly scattered throughout in like a camouflage pattern. I showed these to Harrison and he actually said they look like a bass, like the fish, which is pretty funny. And honestly, if I put a picture of a bass up here on the screen, I kind of see what he means, because it does kind of look like the pattern on the side of a bass. But overall, I do really like this Yeezy 380 model. I wish I had the first original alien colorway. However, this mist colorway I think is also really cool. I'm excited to see what other colorways come out in the future. I think there's supposed to be like a black and gray colorway, which I would obviously really want to have those as well. I haven't heard or seen any other rumored pictures of the 380, so I'm curious to see how many they're going to make. Is it going to be as widespread as the 350 V2s, or is this going to be a little bit more limited shoe, kind of like the 700s? And I'm also curious what you guys think. Do you like the new 380 model now that we have this second colorway? And also let me know in the comment section below if you'd like to see a comparison between the reflective and the non-reflective versions. I'd be happy to do a video like that for you guys. Just let me know down in the comment section below, and also let me know what you think about these. Do you like them? Do you not like them? For me, this is a great shoe. It's very comfortable. To me, more comfortable than the 350 V2s. Just overall, the shape of the toe box fits my feet a lot better. I would say these fit true to size. If not, then go up maybe a half size. If you went up a half size in previous Yeezy models, I would say they fit similar to the 350 V2s. And so on these, I used to go up a half size to make them fit better. In the toes, I did the same thing in the 380s, and they fit absolutely perfect, maybe even better than the 350s. These just fit my feet really, really well. I'm super happy with these. The other major difference between the 350 V2 and the 380 is this shape right here, which would be like the ankle collar. This one is obviously much smaller. It's a lot tighter than the 350 V2. So this one was a much larger opening. This one is much tighter. However, it stretches a lot more. As you can see me putting the shoe on, this one looks like it would be harder to put on, but you can actually get your foot in and then just slide the ankle collar up around your foot. It hugs your foot and ankle a lot tighter as well, but it's not uncomfortable. You've got this prime knit around your ankle and then a nice cushion around your heel. And so it's not uncomfortable at all. I have been wearing this shoe, like I said, for a week now, and I think it's very comfortable. I don't have any complaints when it comes to wearing this shoe at all. All right, guys, let's go ahead and pick the winner for this raffle. Again, this is for the Jordan 3 Red Cement or Unite colorway, Nike Air on the heel, size 10.5. And I've got all the comments already loaded from the video. There were 613 unique commenters. So basically, you've got a 1 in 613 chance of winning. It's honestly pretty good odds. So we'll scroll down right here and hit start, and let's see who wins. No way. We've got Crossover 31 from London, Ontario, Canada. He said, "About time. I've been waiting for you to release the NBA All-Star kicks." This guy honestly shows so much love to my videos. This is insane. He's not going to believe that he won, but he shows so much love on my videos. He always comments, and that's pretty cool that he actually won. So congratulations to you, bro. You won the shoes. So you can pick the shoes or you can pick the cash. It's up to you. But thank you guys for all the support. I really appreciate it. 5,000 subscribers. came, and now I'm past 6,000. So the next giveaway will be at 10,000 subscribers. I'll try to amp it up for you guys as well. Try to do maybe a little bit more of a hype shoe, maybe a little bit more cash. But thank you guys for all the support. I really didn't even think this was possible, but you continue to show support in my videos, and that helps me to grow the channel and do more giveaways like this for you guys. So thank you again, and let's get to that 10,000 mark as soon as possible.